An attorney at law is criticizing the court proceedings and action of court staff who recorded the outburst of a man, Michael Witter, in court last weekend, saying it raises more questions about the country's response to mental health issues. Mr. Witter has been seen in several viral videos showing blatant disregard for law enforcement and COVID protocols. Krista Campbell reports.
42-year-old Stephen Mike Witter back at it again. Another viral video of the man who lives by his own rules, appearing in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on Friday for threats to kill and use of malicious communication. But even in full court, more threats at law enforcement officers. Mr. Witter had threatened law enforcement before on March 8 when police from St. Andrew North were arresting him after blatant COVID protocol breaches and confrontation with the police team on Helsha Beach in Portmore, St. Catherine. In court on Friday, an explanation for his behavior. But he was eventually placed into handcuffs after this.
I said I want to talk to the Prime Minister or the man on the back of my head. And if I talk to him, I'll let him go.
Similar to his March 8 arrest by at least 4 police officers, this time it took 7 men, 5 of them uniformed officers, to almost 2 minutes later handcuff Mr. Witter. In the background, the judge making an appeal.
Can we carry the rest of the matters? Is court 5 still sitting?
No.
Can we carry the rest of the matters in court number 5? I need to finish court.
And later, court workers.
He broke the bench. He broke the bench. Yeah, he ripped the bench, counsel's bench. It has to be repaired over the weekend probably. He wrapped it right out.
Meanwhile, Mr. Witter is being detained and has been ordered to undergo a psychiatric evaluation before his next court appearance. On Facebook, attorney Isaac Buchanan raised concern about the breach of law with the incident being recorded inside the courthouse. As to the treatment of persons who display psychological issues, he said, quote, "Mental health is real and this country not equipped to deal with it. The answer is not to lock people away and forget them. Compassion is not innate for everyone, so I suppose we live what we learn." End quote. In relation to the Helsha matter, Mr. Witter was convicted on March 11 in the same courthouse for several offences, including resisting arrest, disorderly conduct, indecent language, obstructing police, assaulting a police officer, and breaching the Disaster Risk Management Act, DRMA. He was fined $26,000 or 80 days in jail. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.